Chainlink is one of the most fundamentally strong cryptocurrencies, yet it has had a huge correction in price. Chainlink has came down from around $55 per link all the way down to around $20 per link. This is a huge correction for any cryptocurrency, and in today's video we're going to take a look at what the big news surrounding Chainlink is and where I believe Chainlink is going this market cycle. Of course, if you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. We just passed 500 subscribers, so it would be much appreciated if you could join the community and help out. Of course, also remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, and you should always do your own research on these cryptocurrencies. Chainlink is one of the most fundamentally strong cryptocurrencies. Its primary purpose is being the biggest player in the Oracle space. Now, the reason for Oracle cryptocurrencies is so they can feed data to other cryptocurrencies in a decentralized manner. Inherently, smart contracts are disconnected from the real world, so they will need cryptocurrencies like Chainlink to help feed them data. However, businesses will also need decentralized data feeds when they try to use cryptocurrency, and these businesses should start using Chainlink. In today's video, I'm going to tell you why I believe this is, and this is because Chainlink just partnered with Hedera Hashgraph, which is the 51st cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Hedera is basically a decentralized public network that is run by the Hedera Governing Council right now, and anyone can build applications on it. It specifically targets global enterprises, entrepreneurs, and traditional businesses. So the whole point of Hedera Hashgraph is to get traditional businesses to build on top of it and help integrate them using cryptocurrency. Hedera really wants these businesses to use cryptocurrency off its network and help integrate them. Hedera has recently joined with Chainlink, and Chainlink has become the 21st member of Hedera's council. Chainlink and Hedera are going to focus on a series of initiatives that are aimed at helping traditional and centralized financial services use blockchain. Chainlink will basically be Hedera's preferred oracle, so Hedera does need an oracle, and like the majority of cryptocurrencies, they've chose Chainlink to use. The reason this is very bullish for Chainlink is because Chainlink wants to be integrated with big businesses and companies, and currently Hedera is partnered with blue chip companies like Boeing and IBM. So Chainlink is partnered with a huge amount of these blue chip companies now because they have just joined on with Hedera. So, one of Chainlink's biggest aims is they want easy blockchain adoption for enterprises. This is what the founder Sergey Nazarov has said about Chainlink, and Chainlink does help enterprises and governments leverage cryptocurrency and blockchains in numerous ways through its systems. Businesses will basically need these oracles and decentralized data feeds for smart contracts, and Chainlink currently looks like it's the best player for that. Increasing businesses will be using Chainlink, and they'll be using this through Hedera Hashgraph, so this does really look great for the cryptocurrency. Now, Chainlink is not only partnered with these businesses and Hedera, it's also partnered with a range of other cryptos right now like Aave, Yearn Finance, Wi-Fi, and Celsius. If you know a bit about crypto, you know all of these cryptocurrencies are very big currencies, and it's a huge thing for Chainlink to be using these cryptocurrencies. It's partnered with a range of things, and Chainlink's fundamentals have never looked stronger. Let me say that again. I don't believe in the history of Chainlink have its fundamentals ever looked any stronger than they are right now. Chainlink 2.0 has came out, Arbitrum is coming out, and Chainlink's just partnered with Hedera. It controls most of the decentralized oracle space, and I do think Chainlink is in a very good position right now. So we're going to take a look at the charts for Chainlink and what Chainlink's been doing after this recent crash. Because if you've been living under a rock, what's happened is cryptocurrency has had a huge crash in the past couple of weeks, and we're going to take a look at how Chainlink is faring through this crash. Also, I do want to note I have a lot more Ethereum than Chainlink, as I am a bit more bullish on Ethereum long term. However, Chainlink is still one of my top positions. Now, if we take a look at this crash, Chainlink is holding up decently. It's position 14 on the coin market cap with a cryptocurrency market cap of $10 billion. Chainlink has clearly, as you can see, it's rallied in the past day. It is currently up 20% on the day. However, a lot of the reason it's up 20% on the day was because it was oversold so much. As you can see, it is still down 44% on the week, or 40% on the week, and its market cap has just gone under 10 billion right now, which is pretty bearish. It was well over 20 billion previously. However, I'm not worried about Chainlink at all right now. If we look at the macro scale, this dip really doesn't look too bad. If we're talking from high to low for Chainlink, the dip was around 71%, which is an absolutely huge dip, and it's very difficult for people who are holding Chainlink. I will admit this is very tough for Link holders. However, if we take a look through Link's history and take a walk through it, this has happened before. Chainlink dropped 85% from the beginning of 2018 all the way into 2019, a huge 85% correction, and then it began its bull run again. And as you can see, once it began its bull run, it still had another correction yet again. That was down 66% for an extended period of time. Within this correction, Chainlink dropped below the bull market support band, but it was holding our general trend line that I've got it drawn up here. As we can see, once again, Chainlink dropped 60% later in 2020 in the bull market. So it's not out of the ordinary for Chainlink to drop. And if we have a look at this log chart, it looks very good. Chainlink has just been trending upwards over time, and it's really stood the test of time. Chainlink has been a cryptocurrency that has gone up 34,000%, which of course is a huge amount for any cryptocurrency. Of course, a lot of this is due to the amount of partnerships Chainlink has got and the amount of cryptos that use it now that didn't use it before. However, Chainlink has really been a great cryptocurrency over time. It has recently dropped below the bull market support band, as we can see up here, and it was looking a bit overextended, but not too much overextended. Now, the reason it dropped this low is because there has been a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt around Bitcoin, and crypto generally corrects. If we take a look at what Bitcoin's doing right now, we can see Bitcoin is sitting below its bull market support band. Generally, when Bitcoin is bearish and it's hanging around below its bull market support band, altcoins will drop more than Bitcoin. The reason these altcoins will drop more is because they have much lower market caps, so they tend to fall significantly against Bitcoin. So while Bitcoin only corrects in this small period of time around 50%, Chainlink instead corrects 60%. If we take a look at what Chainlink is doing against Bitcoin right now, it is correcting pretty big. As you can see, it has corrected a lot more. However, if we take a look at the charts, I can quite clearly identify it is starting to look like an accumulation zone around the bull market support band. If we do take a look over at Ethereum though, Chainlink is finally beginning to look bullish against Ethereum. It's finally starting to have a few candles that may look like it's going up, and it may have finally hit a bottom against Ethereum. As you can see, Chainlink has been bleeding significantly against Ethereum, and a reason for this is because ETH has just gone up so much. However, I don't think Chainlink can go too much lower against Ethereum, and I do hope it's looking like a bottom. Overall, this market crash doesn't look like it's going to last forever. Cryptocurrency market crashes happen the whole time in bull markets. If we go all the way back to 2013, we can see that the cryptocurrency bull market had a double peak cycle, where in the middle of this market, cryptocurrency dropped 76%. Huge drop, however, it began to rally up. However, I have seen a lot of people saying that their cryptos will rally all the way back. Bitcoin's going straight to 100k, the bull market's not over. I don't believe this is right at all. In 2013, it took 204 or so days for us to break our all-time highs. I do believe it's going to take a bit of time before Bitcoin can actually come back up and break its all-time highs. I personally think what we're going to see is some sideways trading, some hanging around in the short term where Bitcoin just does this and eventually shoots off to the moon. Of course, if Bitcoin is trading sideways, I don't think altcoins will have any time to boom right now. In my opinion, Chainlink has been oversold and it's one of the best altcoins in this market cycle and one of the coins that I'm going to be topping up on the most. However, I'm going to dollar cost average in over time as I don't believe this is the end of the drop. We may see Chainlink go even lower and have another breakdown. It's always a possibility with cryptocurrencies, so keep on high alert. I don't think this cycle is over. However, all I think is it's going to extend out. In my previous price prediction videos, I've said I think this market cycle will probably go to the beginning of 2022. However, now with this correction, and I'm thinking it's going to be a double peak cycle quite certainly right now, I'm thinking crypto's probably going to extend into the middle of 2022, maybe even longer for a very long bull run this time. Everything seems set up for it. overall, I don't think the bull run's over. We haven't seen a lengthened cycle like we usually do. There's still Arbitrum coming out, Ethereum 2.0, Layer 2 scaling for multiple cryptocurrencies, Goguen on Cardano, Bitcoin Lightning layer on it, and there's a lot of institutions that haven't came into crypto just yet. So I do believe we're looking pretty good right now in the cycle. I'm pretty relaxed myself. I think it's going where I think it's going. I've made that clear. I think it can get up to 8 trillion quite possibly. However, I do think it'll take a little bit longer. If you love Chainlink and agree with me that Chainlink's pretty undervalued right now, type it down in the comments and remember to subscribe. I do frequent updates on my favorite cryptocurrencies, which include Chainlink, Cardano, and Ethereum. These are my favorites. I'll keep doing updates on those. So subscribe if you want to see more content on those cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching the video.